Can I buy 10 brand new domains and build backlinks and pointing money site after 5 months? So I guess he's...
Oh, so a PBN. So can I buy a 10 PBN, build backlinks to that PBN, and then point them at my money site after 5 months?
I'm just laughing.
Will that work?
I'm just laughing, Surrender,
Just
because I'm pretty sure we tell you like every live stream that you should try to focus on less like black hat stuff.
and then he's always coming back
And you
with
keep you keep coming up with these like very creative kind of like black hat ideas. So yeah, I guess he's saying he wants to get 10 brand new domains and build backlinks to them. 100 Web 2.0s, each with unique content, pillow links, and niche edits. And then so he's like talking about tiered link building essentially. So 10 brand new domains, tier link build to those domains with Web 2.0s and pillow links and niche edits. And then eventually after he's juiced those up after 5 months, then point those to his money site. And I'm just gonna say this, Surrender, you're overcomplicating it. Like, instead of focusing on all this stuff, I would focus on only the money site and building quality links to the money site rather than all this other stuff. Because at the end of the day, you juice up 10 domains with Web 2.0s, and I'm guessing, so pillow links aren't very strong. I don't know how many niche edits you're going to build to each site and how quality the niche edits going to be. If there are niche edits, awesome. But then you're spending all this money to juice up these other sites that are, the rest of their links besides the niche edits are going to be very low authority, almost zero. Well, not the pillow links, but those aren't really going to increase authority very much. So you're essentially looking at sites that aren't going to be very super juiced up, and then you're spending all this money on pillow links to link to them as well. I would honestly rather niche edits. I would rather just send the niche edits to the money site and all the other time and energy. Just send everything to your money site, not all the Web 2.0s. Focus on quality stuff to your money site. You could try doing what you're saying. I just feel like you're gonna, at the end of the day, rather than it working well, you're going to waste a lot of time and money on doing something that has not much result at all. That's what I'm worried about. It might end up working. I would be so surprised if it worked well. I would just be so surprised. That's all I can say.
The scope on this project would take so long, and there'd be so much money involved if you're doing it the correct way.
You're saying all unique content on 100 Web 2.0s.
It makes no sense, to be honest with you.
I like the angle. I like that. I really do like the fact of how like creative and just how
Mad
how much
Scientist is fun.
the path he's going down. Yeah, it's just I wouldn't do that. I can't recommend you do that.
Yeah, here's a better way to do it. You've got a money site. Use quality backlinks, diversified the same way we explain it on every live feed, and then get maybe a little bit more creative with tiered link building. But again, stay away from the spammy tactics. They'll only set you up for disappointment in the future, if not immediately.
Here's what you do, Surrender. I'm gonna give you. This is what I would do.
Here it comes.
You focus money site only. Stay away from the tiered link building right now. I want you to focus on the very natural stuff. So build the money site. You can do haro links. It's because I'm guessing what the problem here is probably budget, right? So number one, focus on haro links. Haro links are free. It takes time. You have to answer haro questions every single day to try to land these links, and you have to learn the process of it. It's a thing of its own. But basically, if you can give them good information and do it in a concise way, you can land some very good backlinks doing that for free. Next up, instead of spending your budget on all this unique content and Web 2.0s and 10 brand new domains, instead of all of that money, take all that money, save it, start doing backlink outreach on your own, reach out to hundreds or even thousands of websites. When they come back with their prices, tell them you want to do it for about 20% of what they offered. Like, just beat them down as hard as you possibly can. You know, please, sir, for this one time, can I do a guest post on your site for $20 instead of $200? Just see what they come back with. You're doing it at scale, and just take the ones that are the cheapest of the cheap that come back to you. And you know, if the websites are good and they're not crappy, you know, you can take those. This is like the ultra budget way, right? You're sending out lots of outreach. It's boring as hell. You're negotiating hard as hell with these people, and you know, take the cheapest ones from there. And I feel like the time that you take to do that, which honestly isn't that bad if you get it all kind of automated in a way, you know, I just feel like the time and the money spent doing that instead of what you're doing will have much better results for you. And you've also developed some skills that you will be able to replicate on all sites. And you don't have to worry about doing these things that are going to be extremely hit or miss, or probably mostly just in the miss category.
Yeah, think about putting 5 months into a project like that and have it not work. You know, you want to imagine your runway as something that's going to help you succeed, not something that's going to be a gamble, especially when you're talking about that much time. Unless, of course, you've got a ton of money and you like to experiment. You know, there's mad scientist types that do stuff like that all day long. But, you know, it's not something that's going to work out for too many people.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.